Nurse Henry, I'm concerned about Mr. Chappell's progress in occupational therapy. He's struggling with activities of daily living, particularly dressing and grooming.
That's concerning, Mihira. Have you considered any adaptive equipment to assist him?
Yes, we've discussed using adaptive clothing and assistive devices like button hooks and long-handled brushes. However, we need to ensure that he's using these aids correctly and consistently.
Perhaps we could involve his family members in his therapy sessions to teach them how to assist him at home.
That's a great idea. Family involvement can significantly improve patient outcomes. We could also provide them with written instructions and demonstrations to reinforce the training.
Mihira, we should also assess Mr. Chappell's cognitive function and memory. Any cognitive impairments could be affecting his ability to perform daily tasks.
That's a good point. We'll conduct a cognitive assessment and provide compensatory strategies if needed.
Mihira, moving on to your recovery at home, I want to give you some advice on activities you can do. It's important to rest for the first 2 days after your discharge. This means avoiding strenuous activities and allowing your body time to heal. However, it's also essential to start gentle walking as soon as you feel up to it. This helps with circulation and prevents complications. For the next 2 to 3 weeks, you must avoid any heavy lifting. This includes carrying groceries, picking up children, or anything that might strain your abdominal muscles. Doing too much too soon can impact your healing. Now let's talk about your diet, which is quite crucial after gallbladder removal. We recommend starting with small, low-fat meals to ease your digestive system back into normal function. It's best to avoid fried items, greasy foods, and anything high in fat, as these can cause discomfort. Instead, try to increase your fiber intake with foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. This will help prevent constipation, which can sometimes be a problem after surgery. How does that sound for now?